Good morning. So it is Tuesday now. It's a little bit of a gap from when I last filmed, and that's because I was super jet lagged. For today I'm going to the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour, so I'm super excited about that. I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter. I'm actually sitting in a park near my house at the moment and it is 7 AM, so I still have a little while before I can actually leave and catch the bus and train there. It will be an hour-and-a-half long journey, but I still think I have way too much time on my hands. So I'm thinking I might just go grab a coffee and maybe something to eat, and then I will be on my way. I completely forgot that there were squirrels in the Northern Hemisphere. And this little guy is just minding his own business. Looking all cute. So, pretty easy check-in process, and here we are. So as you would have seen yesterday, I left off with the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour, and that's because my camera batteries both died. So I wasn't actually able to film anything else yesterday and I had to wait for them to charge. But I'm back at it today. I will be actually going to Westminster Abbey today. a lot of you would probably not know this, but Mary Queen of Scots is actually my great and so on grandmother, and so it'll be really interesting to see her there because I know she's buried there, and there's some other really notable names like Stephen Hawking there as well, so it should be a really unique experience, and it's a very iconic landmark. So it's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I've just come out of Westminster Station and you come straight onto this. So the London Eye is there, which I'll be going to later tonight. There she is. Oh my goodness, such a beautiful building. So as you can probably tell by my very shiny and disheveled look, I went to Westfield as you would have seen, but then I got lost. So I spent ages stressing over which bus to catch because my phone was dead, and in the end I just decided to get a taxi back. So it did cost me a little bit, but I think that safety is the #1 priority, and so that's what I chose to do. But with that, I will be ending this video here just because I am very tired and I don't have anything else to add for the rest of the day, and I want to make sure that I'm not putting too much into one video. So I will continue on with the London series tomorrow, and you will see a new video hopefully on Sunday.